Oh, my alarm is going off. I should wake up, but I think I'll sleep in a little longer. Good morning! This is Georgie from BBC Learning English, and today we're learning some phrasal verbs that you can use to talk about your morning routine. Let's start from the beginning. First, my alarm goes off. Then I wake up, but I decide I have time to sleep in. After a while, I wake up, I get up, and then I put on my gym clothes. I work out. Then, after showering, I pick out an outfit to put on. I get dressed, and then I say, "Good morning, world!" Okay, now let's look at the verbs in a bit more detail. Go off means the alarm starts making a noise. The verb is mostly used with alarms, car alarms, fire alarms, and alarm clocks, for example. Wake up, a basic one, means you open your eyes and stop sleeping. Sleep in means continue sleeping after the time you usually wake up. Lots of people like sleeping in at the weekends. Get up means stand up after being in bed. Put something on means dress yourself in something, but be careful because this phrasal verb can be separated by the object. You can say, I put on my gym clothes and I put my gym clothes on. Work out means train your body through exercise, usually in the gym, but people also like working out at home or in parks. Pick something out means choose something carefully. This one can also be separated by the object. You can pick out an outfit or pick an outfit out. Get dressed means put on your clothes. It's similar to put on, but different because you're not specifying what you're wearing. Remember, don't freak out. Just come back to BBC Learning English and we'll work on more phrasal verbs and how to use them. See you next time.